Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Lexus IS300 2001 to 2005? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in Lexus IS300 2001 and 2002 safeguards interior electrical systems like power windows, audio, lighting, and climate control. It helps maintain proper operation by isolating faults and preventing circuit damage. The passenger compartment fuse box in Lexus IS300 2003 to 2005 manages circuits for interior functions such as dashboard electronics, power seats, lighting, and HVAC controls. It provides circuit protection to maintain system reliability and prevent electrical malfunctions. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in Lexus IS300 2001 and 2002 manages power distribution to essential components like the engine control, fuel system, and cooling fans. The engine compartment fuse box in Lexus IS300 2003 to 2005 controls and protects key systems such as ignition, ABS, cooling fans, and fuel injection. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.